What is going on, YouTube? It's your favorite YouTuber, me and my kicks, and this is my vlog of social status in Houston, Texas, man, coming up. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching this video today. I really do appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Also comment down below what's the best shoe you've seen in this video. If you ever visited social status in any of their locations, because I want to say they got one in like Memphis, ATL, they got a lot of locations. So comment that down below. We can chop it up in the comment section. Also, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. Takes nothing but a couple seconds and you'll be notified of when I drop future videos. Also, it's a Nike wellness store across the street. So I'm gonna go on up in there and like add it to the vlog just so you can like see what shoes are going on. So it's nice. They got a social status on one side of the street and a Nike Well collector store on the other side. So, you know, Houston been hidden with a lot of these shoe spots, man. So if you like sneakers, Houston is the spot to go. But anyways, let's get to this vlog. I like this colorway in the Air Force Ones, white, black with the clear bottom. I guess these made out the Bronx. Nice. Got the LMRs, the LRMR joints made out the LeBron James in this squad. Clean. I like these suede green ones with the jewel, they clean. This is a nice concept. Got the jewel swoosh with the regular swoosh. They got it on the Air Force Ones, man. Pretty decent. Never seen these before. Like a mixture between the Huaraches and the ones. And these look just crazy. Like they got the Air Force One top, but like a zipper bottom, white and black. Crazy. They got baby napes here. These crazy. Like a Captain America / Iron Man colorway. Ice cream pink. This one even more ice cream pink. Got the off-white joints. White and silver with the white and baby blue. These probably like a rack. They ain't got no pricing on them, but they probably like $1,000. You know how Off-White do it. Got the Air Max ones with the big bubble here. I wasn't a fan of the big bubble. I like the original bubble, honestly. So like this bubble, that's decent. As opposed to this bubble, that's extra long. Give me the regular bubble all day. What else they got? Got these white and brown ones. They got the Drake Noctas, the snakeskin joints. Wasn't a fan of the Noctas, honestly. I got these nice Huaraches made after the Nike Air Moabs, those cold. Got these Air Max ones, baby blue with the tan hits. These go crazy. I don't think I see anything else, but overall, pretty decent. If they had these in my size, I'd definitely cop, but I forgot what the name of these was. I think the Magma or whatever. These was crazy, man. I like how this color blocking on the hit. Coming up in here, they got a lot of heat. They got the J Balvin 2s. I know these like kind of flop, but overall, the fact that they even got them is pretty nice. Got the white and gray 2s. Oh, my bad. Got the gray and Carolina blue 2s. People slept on this colorway for real, man. This is definitely a clean shoe. They also got the white melon joints right here. I got a bunch of Jordan sitting. They got, you know, obviously the wash joints. Got a few decent color mids. They got the green ones. The black toe with the back green. I don't know the name of that. Don't kill me. They got the E7s. I don't think I've seen this colorway of them before. It's pretty decent. They got the Toro 6s. Got some Laker mids. I ain't never seen this one before. Got like a Air Max 1 with this like crazy Nike check right here. These pretty decent, man. Got these 7s here. Got these Jordan 1 lows. These some decent little colorways in the Jordan 1s. Got some mids, this color, that color, like a panda colorway. They got these 5s right here for the ladies. It's not a bad colorway. I like this. I like the way this suede on here looks. It looks way better than the suede Toro that we got on the 5s and the 6s. Like I like this color suede better than that one. Got these 5s. Got these washed pink ones. They're going crazy for the ladies. They even got some reimagined 3s here. Man, got some shattered backboard mids for the ladies. They might have it in regular sizes, but what else they got? I don't see anything else that's eye catching, but I'll let you know. Got some dunks. Is these dunks? Yeah, these dunk up highs. Not a fan of that model, but the colorway not bad. Got some lows. Got this color. Got this color in them. Got some more AJ1 mids. And then they got some ones. It's not a bad colorway. All purpose type colorway. Then they got some Air Max 1s right there. These is classics. Can't beat these, man. I need to get those in a good size. They got these like pink and crimson joints. Not a big fan of it, but I do like the all corduroy upper. All right, guys, that's the end of the vlog. And overall, my rating on it, I'd probably give it like a 3.5. As you've seen, they had the Nike Wellness Store and the Social Status, so that's pretty nice. And then in the Nike Wellness stores in Houston, they be having some low-key heat or some sleepers. I haven't seen the J Balvin's in person, but just to see them in person was definitely nice. So overall, 3.5. But if you've ever been to this location, comment down below. Also, thank you for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up. Comment down below what's the best shoe you've seen in this video. If you ever been in the Houston area, whatever, man, just comment that down below and we can chop it in the comment section. Also, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. Takes nothing but a couple seconds and you'll be notified of when I drop future videos. And lastly, peace.